Thank you so much. My name is Benoit Peacemaker, research consultant and statistical software instructor. In the previous video, I showed you how you can replace a specific value in specific variables and how to name variables. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can treat missing value and even to filter specific column or variables in Python. So I don't go far. Let me show you how you can do it. Data it has already imported, because if you don't understand how I did it, you have to go in the previous video so that you can see that our data has many variables, but we are going to filter. We are going to filter maybe one column or three columns. Let us filter two columns. Let us filter three columns. This one, final words, category, and person name. We use simplest command squared data double bracket. We use double bracket because we are going to make a list. You can even see that Python it is suggesting what I have to do. You have already understand what I'm going to do. We use a double bracket, but if you are going to filter one variable, you can use single bracket. Then double quotation, then let us filter category. If I run, you can see that I have one variable with index, but the index doesn't count a match. So let us show you how you can filter two variables or more. Let us copy this command so that you can use it. It is no need to duplicate it. Then what we have to do is to double that in square bracket, so that Python can understand that we are going to work with, we are going to filter more than one variable. Quotation, let us filter personal name. I'm not sure how it is written. You can even copy this one and I paste here. Then I go back with copy final words. Paste it here, but under quotation. And let us apply their age. You have to remember to use this double square bracket. Then I run. You can see that I have only that variable I'm working with. You can see that my data set it's showing me only four columns with the rows. You can even request them to give you the head, the first few values to see how it looks like. For example, let us request 5. By default, it will show you 5. Then I done. You can see that it is false. So today, I'm also going to show you how you can detect missing value in your data, in specific variable. But before I show you how you treat it, you have to remember that what you call missing value, it is not always missing value. Maybe you are confused with what I'm saying, but not always missing value is missing value. We call it missing value if that question was supposed to be answered. If not, it will not be missing value. Because in analysis or research, you have to master the field you are working in before even you dive into the research, because sometimes it can confuse an error and produce bias in your data. Yeah, let me give an example about what you call missing value. For example, you are conducting research about image. Maybe your research comes in your mind so that you are working on it. You have to conduct research on female, maybe starting from 1 age up to 50, depending on your sort of population. But in your research, a children with 2 years old are not supposed to answer if they are pregnant, or the education, which means that in quantum of education corresponding to that people who has 2 years old, there is a missing value. So that value, that missing value, you don't call it missing value because it is intentional missing value. It was supposed to be missing value. That's the reason why I tell you that what you call missing value, it is not always missing value. So, but I will show you if you request it to see how we treat it, orientation. But now we are going to talk with the unintentional, which means it was supposed to be answered by now. By default, missing value. And also we have assumption to work with in replacing missing value, even to treat it. If the percentage of missing value in your variable is less than 5%, you can replace with what you call like a mean, median, standard deviation. But if there's above 5, just between 5 and 20, we use advanced techniques like machine learning, regression analysis. But if you want more about it, maybe you can reach out, or you can even reply in the comments so that I can know what you can do. But now we are going to assume that our data is normal and even missing value is unintentional, and the percentage of missing value is less than 5%. Let us use. So let us go. First, let me show how you will see that the missing value in your data. Use the data. This data is the name of our data set. Is NA. You can even use NAR or NA. Or will work. Then you close the bracket. If you run, Python will give you true false. This can cause your mind to crash. To make it easy, you add .sum so that Python can count that sum, then gives you the number. You can see that I have, for example, in rank, final work, category, I have 0 missing value. While in age, country, city, source, there is missing value. So let us pick one variable so that you can work on it. Let us work with age. Before to go on age, let us show you how you will calculate the percentage. To calculate the percentage, you have to add this one. It is divided by how we do in mathematical computation, even in hand. Divided by or over length of data. Python will sum that missing value, then divided by the length of our data, then times 100. Maybe you want to consider about any characters and this complex command, but I will go back on it. You can see that the age missing value contains 2.5%. This is normal. You can replace it by mean, even mode. But we assume that our data is normal because we didn't check if it is normal or not. We look for it, or if you need more calculation, you can see the number. It is in my phone number. It is in the video description, even on the screen of the screen. You can see it, or I can show you more. Let us assume that we are going to the missing value in variable age. We are going to replace it. Use the data, square bracket, single square bracket, quotation, then age. You can use a single or double. It's up to you, but you don't have to make it because it cannot work. Fill NA. To fill NA, it will request you to tell Python what I'm going to fill with. You can fill with the mean, as you see, as a mean, or median, even standard deviation or variance can work, even mode. Now we are going to talk fill with mean. For other techniques, because you have many techniques you can use to fill this one, and even assumption to depend on. I will show it in another videos or any. Let us first work with this one. Then you have to tell the Python that in place equal true. In place equal true. Then you run. Oh, even this one it is not work. Let us put it aside. But you can work with this one. Let us use this one. Let us include the mean inside. Field data. Dot age. Then mean. This one Python will fill your missing value with mean. I don't know if you understand. Maybe variable is complex, even command is complex, but let us make it more understandable so that you can get what I'm talking about. Let us first show you how we calculate mean, but I will not go back in the command. When you see the command, then you understand what I was doing. Let us calculate the mean of that age, even before we do that one. Let us go back to show you how we calculate the mean. We use data as the name, then we specify the specific variable you are going to work with. Then we add this dot sum. If we are looking for sum, well, now we are looking for mean. Write mean, then bracket. Python will give you this one. So for your command, instead of writing this command, because Python will go calculate mean and replace it, you can even replace with this one, because we have seen that average is 55. Sorry, 65. You can go then put it here. Command will work the same. Will do the same. Then you can add the place equal true or not. You can see now it works. But if you don't want it, it will work, but it will be temporary. And now we can see that there is no longer missing value there. If you go back here to check if there is still missing value, it is there no longer missing value. So to see if it is there and the same, you can see that there is no missing value there because it has already replaced. Thank you so much.